Welcome back to UK Auto Car, the channel bringing you the best in bikes and cars from right here in the UK. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2026 Suzuki GSX-S125, the lightweight naked street bike that's still ruling the 125cc class for learners, commuters, and fun riders alike. With its sharp styling, punchy performance, and wallet-friendly running costs, this A1 license-friendly machine remains a top choice. The exterior for 2026 keeps the aggressive supersport-inspired naked design that's made the GSX-S125 so popular. It features a muscular fuel tank, sharp angular lines, and a compact, upright stance that gives it real street fighter attitude. The front is dominated by a striking LED headlight with a round design, flanked by bold side panels and a trellis frame that's partially exposed for that raw, mechanical look. The tail section is tidy with compact LED lights and a flat, comfortable seat for easy pillion or solo riding. Recent updates bring refreshed color options, including the standout pearl brilliant white paired with metallic Triton blue accents, plus other vibrant or stealthy schemes like black and grey combinations with black wheels. These new liveries add a modern, premium feel without changing the core bodywork, making the bike look even more dynamic and eye-catching whether you're filtering through traffic or parked up. Powering it all is the trusty 124.4cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled DOHC engine with electronic fuel injection. It delivers 15 PS, about 14.8 horsepower, at 10,500 revolutions per minute and 11 Nm of torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute, giving it the best power-to-weight ratio in the 125cc street class thanks to the featherlight 135 kg curb weight. The engine is smooth, responsive from low revs, and backed by Suzuki's Easy Start system and low RPM assist to prevent stalls, perfect for new riders. The 6-speed gearbox shifts cleanly, allowing you to make the most of that lively performance in town or on open roads. In terms of performance, the GSX-S125 excels at being nimble and confidence-inspiring. The lightweight chassis, inverted forks up front, and monoshock rear provide agile handling for dodging city obstacles or carving B-roads. Braking is sharp with Bosch ABS, a 290mm front pedal disc with dual piston caliper, and a 187mm rear, offering strong, controlled stops. It's great for daily commutes, weekend blasts, or learning the ropes without feeling overwhelming. Maximum speed reaches around 107 km/h, about 66 mph officially, though real-world tests often see 110 to 120 km/h, 68–75 mph, depending on rider weight, wind, and conditions, more than enough for A1 limits and exciting enough for thrills. Fuel average is one of its biggest strengths, with official WMTC figures at 117.7 mpg, roughly 2.4 L, 100 km. In mixed riding, expect 90 to 110 mpg easily, and the 11-litre tank delivers a massive range of over 450 km, about 280 miles. That's superb economy for keeping costs low on fuel and insurance. Price update for the UK in 2026 sees the GSX-S125 starting at £4,999 on the road, including registration and taxes, super competitive value. Suzuki's adding an extra 1-year warranty extension for 2026 registrations, making it even more appealing with that legendary reliability. All in all, the 2026 Suzuki GSX-S125 is the complete package. Fresh looks, strong performance, incredible efficiency, and unbeatable price. If you're after an entry-level bike that feels premium and fun, don't miss it at your Suzuki dealer. Like if this has you excited for a GSX-S125, subscribe for more UK bike content, and comment what 125 you'd ride next. Stay